Hello and welcome to Easy Blender channel. There are three ways to duplicate objects in Blender. First one is to use Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Click on the object, press Ctrl C, then Ctrl V. Now move the object. You can see the object is duplicated. And the second way is to press Shift D. Now we have a duplicated object. And the third way is to use Alt D. But there are some difference in each method for duplicating object. Let's explain the first one, using Ctrl C and Ctrl V. This method creates a fully independent copy of the object and its materials. It's useful when you want to duplicate an object but change its material or data without affecting the original. Let me demonstrate it to you. If I change the color in duplicated object, the original one doesn't change. Or if I change the mesh in edit mode, the original object remains still the same. Remember, if you do this method for multiple objects, your scene gets so heavy. And the second method, using Shift D. This method duplicates the object within the same scene. It copies the mesh and links the material. So changing the material on the object will affect all duplicates. Let me show you. If I change the color on it, see, the original one also changed. In third method, you use Alt D for duplicating. In this method, if you edit and change the material or mesh, all duplicated object and the original one is gonna change. Let me show it to you. Let's press Alt D. Let me change the material. See, all of them are changed. Let's change the mesh. If I change one of the meshes, all objects gonna change. This method is so useful when you want to create a lot of copies from an object without the scene gets heavy. But remember, if you want different material on each object, you must copy paste it. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.